Cambridge Primary Mathematics, Learner's Book 2 Unit 15 Problem Solving and Review. Unit 15 Problem Solving and Review. 15A Sports. Problem 1. This graph shows children's favorite sports. 12. 10. Infinity. 6. Number of children. J. 2. Children's favorite sports. 0. Tennis, football, cricket. Favorite sports. Cycling. Archery. Which is the most popular sport? Which is the least popular sport? How many children like cycling? How many more children like football than cycling? How many more children like cricket than archery? How many children answered the questions altogether? Problem 2. The teacher finds a tennis shoe in the lost property box. Use the table to work out who the shoe belongs to. The shoe is small. It is white. It belongs to someone whose name begins with an M. M. Name, shoe size. Yasmin, small. Color of shoes. Favorite sport. White. Tennis. Maria. Small. White. Tennis. Kadir. Small. Yasmin, small. Color of shoes. Favorite sport. White. Tennis. Maria. Small. White. Tennis. Kadir. Small. Rashid. Tennis. Rashid. Large. Swimming. Sarah. Large. White. Swimming. Who does the shoe belong to? 00 p.m. Problem 3. 2:00 p.m. Name. Start time. Finish time. Paco and Darina. 1:00 p.m. 2:30 p.m. Julio and Tessa. 2:30 p.m. 4:00 p.m. 4:00 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Manuel and Jade. 5:30 p.m. 7:00 p.m. For how long will Paco and Darina play tennis? What time will Manuel and Jade start playing tennis? What time will Julio and Tessa finish playing tennis? The children are discussing the time they could play tennis. We could play. We could play at 3 o'clock. At 4 o'clock. Who is correct? What time could Kadir and Macy play tennis? Julio and Tessa are playing at 4 o'clock. Problem 4. 10. Problem 5. Kobe and Jade are playing archery. They score points by hitting the target. The yellow zone scores 10 points. The red zone scores 5 points. The blue zone scores 2 points. Jade hits the target board with 2 arrows. What could her score be? Kobe hits the target board with 3 arrows. What could his score be? In the triathlon, everyone swims, runs and cycles. How far did each person travel while they were training? Alec ran 3 kilometers. He swam 1 kilometer. He cycled 4 kilometers. How far did Alec go? Liaa ran 3 kilometers. She swam 1 kilometer. She cycled 5 kilometers. How far did Lia go? Alfia ran 3 kilometers. She swam 1 kilometer. She cycled 6 kilometers. How far did Alfia go? Who went the furthest in their training? Problem 6. The children are playing cricket in teams. They score points for the number of runs they make. Team. Total score. Team A, 79. Team B, 73. Team C, 77. Team D. Team E, 69. Write the difference between Team A's score and Team B's score. 79 to 73 equals. Write the difference between Team A's score and Team C's score. Write the difference between Team A's score and Team E's score. Team D came second. What is their score? The children are discussing the scores. By how many points did Team A win? Team A won by 1 or 2 points. Team A won by hundreds of points. Whose answer is reasonable? Problem 7. The children are playing a game. Write a story for each calculation. 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals. 2 plus 4 plus 4 equals. 2 plus 5 plus 4 equals. Problem 8. $19. 100 billion. Minus $14. $10. $18. Victor has $20. He buys the trainers. How much money does he have left? Benita has $20. She buys the tennis racket. How much money does she have left? Carlos has $20. He buys the bow and arrows. How much money does he have left? Tanya has $20. What 2 items could she buy? Problem 9. At a fun run, there is a drink of water for each runner during the race. There were 87 runners. 9 drinks were left. How many runners had a drink? $8. $12. Mathematical dictionary. 2D shape, a flat shape with sides. Carol diagram, a table used for and angles. 3D shape, a solid shape with faces, edges and vertices. A. Add to find a sum. Sorting things, for example. Even number. Multiple of 5, 10, 20, 30. Not a multiple of 5, 2, 6, 12. Not an even 5, 15, 25 number. 3, 7, 11. Addition, a calculation of the sum cent. S. A coin value of 2 numbers or things anti-clockwise in the opposite direction to the hands of a clock. Array, a rectangular. 1, 50, 100, 250. Centimeter, there are 12, 1, 2, 10, 9, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6. 100 centimeters in a meter. Arrangement of quantities. Change money given back if you pay with too much money. Circle, a flat or 2D shape with one curved surface. Clockwise, in the same direction as the hands of a clock. 3, 11, 121, 10, 2, 9, 81, 7,654. Coin, a piece of metal. Used as money. 1C. B. Backwards, a direction. Towards the back. Block graph, a diagram to show information. C. Compare to note similarities and differences. Container, an object that holds. Calculation, a way of finding the something number of something. Corner, where to meet and form. Capacity, the largest amount that or more lines. Corner. Something can contain. An angle. Criterion, a rule on which to base a decision. Cube, a 3D or solid shape with 6 square faces. Cuboid, a 3D or solid shape with 6 rectangular faces. Cylinder, a 3D object or solid shape with 1 curved face and circular ends. D. Data, information, such as a tally or fact. Digit, symbol for a number. Direction, the course that something moves. Divide, to find how many times a number is contained in another number. Dollar, a unit of money. Dollar. Double, twice as many. Even number, all numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. F. Face, surface of a solid shape. Find the difference, subtract one thing from another, forwards, a direction towards the front. Face. Fraction, a part of something or part of a number, for example. G. Gram, there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. Group, to gather, collect. H. Half, halves something divided by 2. Edge, half an hour 30 minutes. 1. Edge, the straight side of a 2D object, where 2 faces of a 3D shape meet. Equal S. The same as, shown by. The sign equals. Equivalent, the same as something else. Half turn, halfer. Full turn. Heavier, weighs more. Hexagon, a 2D shape. With 6 sides. Hour, a unit of time. Opening parenthesis. 60 minutes. Estimate, guess. 3:00. Hour. Irregular, not usual, normal. K. Kilogram, a measurement of weight. 1000 grams. L. Least, the smallest amount. Left, a direction. The opposite to right, length, how far from one point to another. Less, not as many, lighter, less heavy. Line of symmetry, a line which divides something into 2 identical halves. Liter, a unit of measurement. Longest, the largest length. Lots of, many. M. Line of symmetry. Mass, how much an item weighs. Measuring cylinder, a container to measure liquids. Meter, a unit of length. Milliliter, there are 1000 milliliters in 1 liter. Minute, there are 3:00. 60 minutes in 1 hour. Minutes. Month, there are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. More, greater in number or size, most, the greatest or largest in number or size. Multiple, a number that can be divided equally. Multiplication, a way of calculating the produce of 2 numbers, shown by the symbol x multiply to increase in number. N. Notes, paper, money. Number, facts, calculations to learn by heart. Number line, a line with points which represent numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Octagon, a 2D shape. With 8 sides. Odd, all numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Ones, numbers up, tens, 1s to 9. Order and arrangement of objects, quarter, turn, right angle, turn. Oval, shaped like a quarter. Turn, clockwise. An egg. P. Partition, separate. A number into different parts. 34. R. 30. Pay, give money in return. For goods, pentagon, a 2D shape with 5 sides. Pictogram, a picture that represents a word or a number. Popular, well-liked, position, place, prism, a solid with 2 identical end faces and 3 or more rectangular side faces. Pyramid, a solid with triangular sides. Rectangle, a 2D shape with 2 pairs of equal sides. Regular, usual, normal, remainder, something left over. Repeated addition, to add over and over again. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right, a direction. The opposite to left. Rotate, to turn on a certain point. S. Scales, used to find the weight of something. Second comes after first. Semicircle, half of a circle. Quarter. S. Something divided by 4. Share, to divide something between others. Shortest, the smallest length, or T. Height. Tallest, the largest height. Shortest. Side, a line of side. A shape. Sphere, a solid round object, like a ball. Square, a 2D shape with 4 sides of equal length. Subtract, to take away something from another. Subtraction, a way of finding the difference between 2 numbers or things. Symbol, something that represents, stands for something else. Tallest. Tally, a way of keeping a score or amount. Tens, shows the tens. Place, value. Timer. Measurement of an action or event. Angangant. Tens, ones. Times, to multiply by another number, shown by the symbol x. Times table, a table showing numbers multiplied together. Total, the answer to an addition calculation. Symmetrical, each half is exactly triangle, a 2D shape. The same. Line of symmetry. With 3 sides. Turn, to rotate or change position twice, 2 times. 2-digit number, a number with a tens digit and a ones digit. Venn diagram, a diagram with circles to show sets. Multiple of 2, multiple of 5. Y. Year. 365. Or 366. Days make a year. W. January MTWTFSS. 123. Calendar. February. MTWT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,